This is the brand new Google Pixel 11 Pro, and it continues to push the boundaries of what mobile photography can do. Here's a quick unboxing look at the phone. Google Canada invited me out to the launch event and provided this Pixel 11 Pro to review, so today we're taking a closer look from a photographer's perspective. Where this phone truly shines for me is photos. Whether you're capturing full resolution 50 megapixel RAW files for post-processing, or relying on the JPEG straight out of the camera, the dynamic range, sharpness, and colors deliver great results. That's my first look at the Pixel 11 Pro. I'll be testing it out more in the coming weeks, so let me know in the comments what you'd like to see next and what you thought of the results. Thanks for watching.